Isn't even the optimal sun for pictures, but it's still very beautiful.
Williams, you can walk from here all the way here.
It's great.
So clear. Yeah. From there you can just walk all the way up here. It's very empty. All the way to there, I think. You can just walk.
I say it now, at least we got here in a calmer weather.
Yeah. I think yesterday was kind of cloudy.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm sorry.